Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Android. You click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Androids. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter the storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.